Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ford Explorer Sport. This one's black. Underneath it is a 3.5 V6 twin turbo pushing out 365 horsepower. For wheels we've got 20-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black leather interior. Pano sunroof. Rear climate controls. Third row seating. Around back, got our sports badging, EcoBoost, power liftgate, fold down third row seats, clean set of floor mats. And alongside, this one does come with power windows, memory seats, illuminated door sills. Up and in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Ford has 90,886 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Ford Explorer Sport, check out feldmanimports.com.